welcome back. In this video, I am showing you my process for press-on nails. This is a custom set with very intense nail art, so it did take me quite a long time. I would say about 3 hours with a little bit of change. So this is just my process, and there's a few funny little bits and pieces, so keep on watching. Alright, so for this design I'm doing a tortoise shell base, so 3 very thin coats of a caramel color, and then we're going to layer with some brown and some black to really give that effect, and then on top of that we're going in with neon green flames, my friends. Also, let me just say that I did run into some difficulties while editing this, and for some reason now the footage is zoomed in, so I apologize if there are some shots where you cannot see everything.
Don't use it.
Alright, so after that insane distraction, I am going in with my last coat of my caramel mixture. So I'm mixing the gel bottle, glass yellow, chocolate, and some clear top coat to make this color. So I'm just finishing up the 3rd layer, and then I'm going to go in with a brown to make those little spots. I also forgot to mention that on the 3rd layer, I'm not curing the caramel color, but I'm putting the translucent brown into the uncured caramel so that it gives a little bit of a blended effect, more like a tortoiseshell really would be. So once that's done, I've cured that, and then I go in with another layer of that caramel blend, and before curing that layer, I put in some black to give it a little bit more depth and add just the last layer. Once that's done, we're going to go in and encapsulate it with some clear builder in a bottle just to make sure that everything is being protected. My theory is that if you don't do this while letting your product self-level, then it ain't worth it. at this point, I've cured my encapsulation, and now I'm just going to buff it out a little bit to make sure that it's nice and even. Because we are throwing flames on top of this, we really don't want it to look bumpy. Now, since these flames are going to be neon green, I have to have that white outline, or else it will not give as much as a punch as I'd like it to. So I'm first outlining my flames in Daisy from the gel bottle, curing that, and then I'll go in with my neon color.
Super cool.
What'd you say?
Super cool.
Alright, we finally got there. Now I am layering my neon green color. This is Lime Punch from the gel bottle, right on top of the white. And of course, the last step is top coat. This is the gel bottle clear rubber top coat. It's supposed to be mainly for something that needs a little bit of an encapsulation. So I am using that as my final layer, and I'm curing. Alright everyone, this is a little bit of a behind the scenes for my press-on. So I'm showing you how I package using double-sided tape, and I do finish off the back side of the press-ons too, because sometimes you can accumulate some gel under there. So I go in with my buffer and make sure that everything is nice and clean and crisp, ready for application. Honestly, the best part of this is sticking the press-ons down onto the double-sided tape. It's so satisfying. So I start with the middle, working from the thumbs out to the pinkies. There she is. This is the final look of what they look like in the box when you get them. Now each set that you buy comes with your own application kit with an application and removal guide. So I'm just putting in the guide, the buffer, the glue, the adhesive tabs, a little mini nail file, as well as some alcohol pads. So once I've got my stickers in place, I put everything into the bubble mailer and they're ready to go. So that's it. That's my press-on process. I hope you guys like this. Please like, share, comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!